Now let's learn about how to create an animation in PowerPoint. So first in search button we'll type power. So we'll select PowerPoint, and now in this there are different slides. So I'll select one slide. Style. So I want to edit, I want to do animation. So I want blank page. I don't want this titles one. So for that, go to home, layout, click on layout and select blank page. This is a blank page. Now in this we'll insert some image, nature image. Go to insert, click on online pictures. We'll take online pictures. Now in this search box we'll type nature, some nature images. Now we'll select any nature image. Okay, we'll select this, insert, click insert. Now this image should be fit to the exactly slide. So we'll increase the image size, height of, and the width. We can increase like this also. Now in this image I just want to add some birds to fly animations. Now let's start an animation. First we'll select an insert and online pictures. We'll click type bird, GIF. So these are the birds GIF images. So I'm selecting one, insert, click insert. Now you can increase or decrease the size of the bird. Now you can give the color also. Can change the color of the bird. Go to, when you click on the picture, you'll get the format of all the pictures options. Will see, you can see. So in that color, select any different color. Now we'll move this bird to here. Now we'll play this slideshow. This is an EFGI. So like this you can create any animation. I want to add more birds, so I will copy the same image, copy, paste. So again this bird will move to here. Now we'll see how the slide is, birds are moving. We'll add slideshow and we'll see from the beginning. See how together they are flying. Now we can add animation for these birds. Now go to animation, click, select any kind of animation. Design styles are there. If you don't want these styles of animation, go to more option, more motion. Now I will select left. Now the bird, see how the bird is moving. Now you can adjust the timings of the bird also. Click on the picture, animation, duration should be increased. So the bird is moving slowly. Like this you can edit animations. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel and comment and share if you like this video, and don't forget to comment.